So the other day, my husband and I were watching a movie, Wonder Woman 1984, which was not as good as the first one, in my opinion. But I mean, I still liked it. It reminded me that I've wanted to make a soap inspired in Wonder Woman for a while. I mean, ever since I saw the first one. So I'm going to make it. I'm debating whether to make an actual figurine of Wonder Woman and put it on top of the soap, similar to the way the sugar plum fairy soaps is, or if I should just do like a layer soap and try to make the W in between. And the problem is that usually requires the sculpted layers technique, and I don't like that technique. So I may be able to do dividers instead. But anyway, that's today's project. So I'll keep.
In the end, I decided to make an embed of the Wonder Woman logo with melt and pour soap. I colored this with gold mica and with gold Enviro glitter. I printed and traced the logo on the top, and later I cut out the negative space. Inspired by the 70s Wonder Woman TV show, I also extruded some white stars with soap dough using an extruder disc that I 3D printed and that I also have available in the store. Link below.
For fragrance, I will be using a cranberry chutney type from Lone Star Candle. Never used it. It smells really good. It smells good. I like it. It has a little bit of like a fruity scent. Fruity almost as in the smell of some Flintstones vitamins, which might not be the best way to describe it, but that's what I'm smelling today. A little bit of a fake fruit scent in a way that it brings nice memories, if that's possible. Okay, I think I know what this reminds me of, and it's when I was growing up, we were able to buy these envelopes like to make a fruit juice, something similar to Kool-Aid, I think, and I guess I liked it.
I will measure the light water solution out of my master batch. If you're curious to know how to make this master batch, I'm going to link the blog post and video below. Next, I will blend the light water solution with the oils, and I'm going to blend it until it reaches emulsion. Because this is the first time that I work with this fragrance, I'm going to do a small test prior. I'm pouring 0.05 of an ounce into this cup, which is the equivalent of 5% per ounce of soap. I will add the 1 ounce of soap and mix it here, and I make sure to record the time for reference. Meanwhile, I'm going to split the remaining soap mix to get the colors blended. Let's go back to our fragrance test, and it seems to be at light trace, which means that I can proceed with the method that I have planned, since it is not making the soap batter do anything crazy, such as a fast acceleration or rising. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put it on top of a heating pad. I'm going to keep the heating pad on high until tomorrow morning. After 5 days, I removed it from the mold. I don't think I needed to wait this long. I like how the colors turned out. I did get a little bit of soda ash, so I'm going to try to wipe it away with a wet paper towel, and I'm also going to try to scrape it off. I did not want to plane it because I did not want to remove the metallic Enviro glitter that was on top of 2 of the bars. By the way, it's always a good reminder that whenever you make copyrighted soaps or copyrighted theme soaps, you keep in mind that you cannot sell it unless you have secured a license, which they usually don't give out for small soapers or crafters. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.